Can you make money on the S&P 500 2 times leverage? Well, yes, you can, and it's a very simple way to beat the S&P 500. But what are the risks? Let's break that down in detail with the dashboard that I've created purely for my clients on the Great Investments Program. Move myself around so you can see me neatly over here. Okay, so we're going to go through. And today we are looking at the S&P 500 2 times bull. Can you see it over there? Okay, so how's that been? Well, let's take a look back period of, let's say, the last 20 years. I mean, the last 50 years doesn't seem really relevant. What's that given us over the last 20 years on the S&P 500? Okay, so what it's given us is this. Over the next 21 trading days, at this point, I'm talking to you on 12th of May, 2% you're likely to be up. If you start using leverage, you can see what the benefit is there. Some of you are already thinking, how do you create your funds? CAGR 15% over the last 20 years. So when people say to me, can you beat the S&P? Okay, well, what's the S&P over the last 20 years? The CAGR is only 8.92. There you go. Just beating it. Just do 2 times leverage, because we know more often than not, you go up with the S&P than not. So it doesn't take a genius to beat it. That's why when people ask that, it's a really quick way of determining if they've got any investment nous at all. Okay, so that's your 15.67%, which is generating you doubling your money every 5 years. I'm not suggesting you do 2 times leverage. And there's a reason why I don't think anybody on here should be doing 2 times leverage. The nature of leverage being that they're prone to panic, okay? Over the last 10 years, if the last 10 years were to continue, that's 25% per annum. And you might think, why not? What's wrong with doing 2 times leverage? It's because you are significantly likely to panic, because leverage accentuates downside moves. You get a day, a week, or a month where you get a negative move, and all of a sudden, panic stations come in. Seasonality wise, this is what the months look like. Let's not just look at the last 5 years. That's 10 years, actually. 10 years, I think, is reasonable. Statistical significance, July tends to be up almost 6%. I go long on the 30th of June, just before market close, and exit on the 31st of June, just before market close. And bang, I'm expecting a 6% return in the month, and then November. Okay, those are the 2 statistically significant months. Before you ask, where's this available? First of all, save this video, go to alpeshpatel.com/links. You can subscribe there for notifications when I make this publicly available. For the moment, it's going to be available just to my Great Investments Program client base, okay? But I'll share the videos and snippets on here as I do the analysis going forward. So given that we're in May and we're looking at week 19, week 20, we can see clear 21-day forward positive returns. Because we've got a lot of runway, that means if we go long right now on the 2 times leverage and we don't get a good enough return in a week or 2 weeks, if we're doing some kind of short-term trade, we know we can hold on because of that. That's really important. By the way, if you'd like a free pension review, visit campaignforamillion.com. Okay, what we're going to do in future videos, so do like and save these and put in the comments that you want more of these. If you want more of these, let me know. Otherwise, I'm not going to do more of these because what I can do in future is robotics, genomics, innovation, inverse, as well, bond deals, regional banks, biotech, semiconductors, leverage on Tesla, Nvidia, when's there a good idea, crypto, link ones, MicroStrategy, Coinbase, Riot Platforms, Grayscale, Bitcoin. We've got Brazil, India, Japan, all of these. They'll be coming in future videos, okay? As well as, of course, popular stocks like Palantir, Costco, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, Tesla, JP Morgan, Visa, MasterCard. You know, it's pretty amazing what's being created. So do have a look at alpeshpatel.com/links. Let me know that you like it. And I look forward to hearing from you. And if you'd like that pension review and get a data-driven way of getting returns in the markets, as opposed to journalist-driven, as opposed to random magazine article-driven, then this is a taster of just how we dive into data to make sure we've got evidence for moves before we profit from them. Okay, thank you very much.